Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to change audio speed in Audacity step by step. You can use this feature to make audio play faster or slower, depending on your needs. First, open Audacity and import your audio file by clicking File and then Open. Once the file is loaded, press Ctrl+A on your keyboard to select the entire audio track. Next, go to the Effects menu, choose
Hello everyone.
and then click Change Speed. A new window will appear with speed adjustment options. To make the audio faster, increase the percent change value, such as +20%. To make it slower, enter a negative value, such as -20%. You can also adjust the speed multiplier if you prefer. Click Preview to listen to the result before applying the effect. This helps you choose the right speed without changing the audio permanently. When you increase the speed, the audio becomes shorter and plays faster. When you decrease the speed, the audio becomes longer and plays slower. If you are editing voice recordings, podcasts, tutorials, or YouTube videos, changing the speed can help improve pacing or fit a specific video length. Once you're satisfied with the result, click OK. Audacity will process the audio, and the new speed will be applied to the track. Finally, export your edited audio by clicking File, then Export Audio, and save it as an MP3 or WAV file. That's how you change audio speed in Audacity quickly and easily. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out my other Audacity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.